Hi, my name is Adam, I'm from London, and we're about to do a night trek into the Amazon jungle. Let's go. So we're changing into our boots for the night walk into the jungle. You never know what's out there, so you got to be prepared. Could be loads of bugs, I don't know. Could end up running away screaming. So we have to be very quiet in order to see some of the wildlife here. Because if they hear us, they'll run away because they're scared. There's a massive spider here. No, actually.
Fuck off! It's cute.
I'm alright with spiders. Spiders are cool. Especially this one, look it, massive.
Can I jump? Oh, it's quite bad. No.
I've been here in Ecuador for only 2 days. Yep, straight from England, pretty much straight into the jungle. I'm loving it. Oh, massive ant. Cool. Oh, this afternoon. Oh, cool.
What?
This.
Whoa! What the fuck?
What is this? Oh, look at this. Some sort of grasshopper on it. I decided to come to South America because I'd never been before. So me and a friend of mine just thought, oh, this would be a good adventure. Oh, that's a frog. Right? It's the brown thing on the leaf.
Very good camouflage when they dry leaves. Brown.
Oh no. Got away. I like to travel a lot because, you know, get away from your comfort zone, get away from home, get away from work, you know, education. Just come here and see a completely different side of the world and all the people and wildlife that you're not really familiar with. So this plant, what it'll do is when you touch it, it'll sort of flinch and move and sort of contract. Ah, there we go. Contracted downwards. Ah, jungle's awesome. Got to see a massive spider. Saw a frog that was camouflaged against the water. Saw this one trying to scare me. Oh, we've lost our tour group. This makes it more exciting. Alright, that's it for the Amazon jungle trek. I'm going to go to bed for an early rise tomorrow morning. Sweet dreams.